Did you know that shadows can tell you secrets about your heart? Leo noticed something strange. At Mom's apartment, his shadow stayed small and close. At Dad's house, it stretched long and reached toward the windows. I'm becoming two different people, Leo worried. He started measuring his shadows with a ruler. He drew charts and took notes like a scientist. His parents were getting concerned, but in his magical realm, a giant made of swirling twilight appeared. The giant's shadow danced and shifted like smoke. Shadows aren't copies of who you are, the Twilight Giant explained gently. They're maps of where you're growing toward. The giant showed Leo how his shadow wasn't breaking apart. It was getting bigger. Your heart is learning to love in multiple places at once. That takes a very special kind of person. Leo's eyes widened with wonder. So I'm not splitting in half? No, little one. You're becoming twice as bright. One heart can create light in two homes. That's not broken, that's magical.